Hey everyone, Zabe here. Today, I'm going to show you how to create free, unlimited 20-second videos using the brand new FLUX 3 model on BFL AI. FLUX 3 is Black Forest Labs' first natively multimodal architecture that brings together image, video, audio, and action generation within a single model. Let's get started. First, hop over to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a detailed 20-second video prompt. Next, head over to the Black Forest Labs dashboard and make sure you have the FLUX 3 model selected from the top left dropdown. This is their frontier model that generates clips up to 20 seconds long in HD resolution, with native audio created alongside the video. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the full JSON prompt it generated for you. Notice that we are keeping the aspect ratio set to 16:9 to ensure that perfect, standard widescreen format for our video. Once you have it copied, paste it right into the prompt box on the BFL AI playground. You'll notice a message on the screen stating that FLUX 3 is completely free to try until Monday, August 17th, so you can generate as much as you want right now. Just hit the Generate button. And here is the final result. Look at this gorgeous, smooth 20-second anime sequence. The visual quality is incredible, and because the model was trained jointly across image, video, and audio, it learns how they relate instead of guessing after the fact. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and share it with your friends.